Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm just here with a quick video to bring you up to date on my November purchases. I like to do a video like this to help keep myself accountable because spending can easily get out of control. I like to make sure I mention that just because I don't want people to think that I'm just here to, I don't know, show off the stuff that I got or anything. This is a coping mechanism or no, coping mechanism isn't right. A tool, I guess, to keep myself accountable. This actually will be kind of a quick video. I did do shopping this month, but most of it hasn't gotten here yet, including the items I purchased at the very beginning of November. Shipping right now is atrocious, as it is often at this time of year, but especially now with COVID. So I am trying to be patient, failing a little bit, but I will show you at least a few things here that I do have. First, to get my Ipsy out of the way, I got my Ipsy bag this month. That was $12 a month, and I think I had one add-on. Yeah, that brings it to $15. And I can link the unboxing of that below in the description box. I also purchased for the very first time this month a Trend Mood box, and that happened to be the one that was a takeover box from e.l.f. So I can also link that in the description box where I opened that box. That box with shipping and tax and everything came to $25.98. Then I picked up this Sonia Kashuk sponge. Right now it's extra big because I used it today and so it's damp. Definitely poofed up here from being wet. And I can already tell you, I don't think it's my favorite. I mean, it's only $5 at Target, so if you're looking for a really economical sponge, there is that. I feel like personally, it's just a little too dense for my taste. I mean, when you sit here and mush it, it feels nice and soft, but when I bounce it, it feels honestly kind of hard. But it's still something that I will use. I do like to use a sponge from time to time, but I just don't think this will be a repurchase. Anyway, this was $5. Then this month I had a Sephora gift card, and I had my eye on many things from Sephora, but it was the perfect amount to pick up this. This is the Shiseido, if I can get that out, Shiseido Minimalist Whipped Powder Blush, and this is in the shade Sonoya. So it comes in this beautiful square, it's a heavy glass container. When you open it, it has a little thingy on the top to keep it nice and clean, not messy. And so far, I've just been taking blush off this little cap. I haven't even dipped in here yet. It is a very interesting texture, very moussey and soft and pigmented. You don't need very much. Let me quick show you. It's got a little bit on my finger. Oh, I was swatching other things. Excuse those swatches, but it is like the coolest texture because you don't really rub it into your skin. You use the slightest buffing motion, like hardly any pressure whatsoever. You just kind of run your finger over your skin and it blends in so beautifully. And this is an interesting color. Like right there, it looks very light just because, I didn't use very much. So see that I can build up the color a little bit. It's definitely more on the pink side than other blushes that I have. So I was happy to get a blush that, I didn't already have the same shade. I mean, I wanted to try this formula because I had heard it was just really unique and really different and really fun. I've been into the cream blushes this year. Next year, I've been kind of hammering out the rules for myself, what was sort of a low buy I'm going to put myself into next year because I need to go on one. And blush was really hard to nail down. I still don't really know if I know what I want to do because I love the blush so much. But this, I've been really loving it. I've had it in my Shop My Stash. And because of the shade, it doesn't go with all the different makeup looks that I wear. Like I didn't wear it today, but it's so pretty and I'm really happy to have it. And I was even happier to get it for free. But I get it for free. I have one of those apps where you like log in your grocery receipts and it gives you money back based on what you bought. And then I just save all that and it accumulates for a while. And once I get to what, 20 or 30 bucks or whatever, I cash it out. And usually that's when I allow myself to get something at Sephora. Something that 20 or $30 will cover. The app that I happen to use is the Ibotta app. I know there's more than one out there. Just in case you're interested. Not sponsored, obviously. Just thought I'd say that. But that is all I have to show you. Like I said, I have other things that I would love to show you, but they're hanging out in some warehouse somewhere. Like their tracking isn't working. they're just out there somewhere. I'm hoping that eventually they make their way to me. If anything else shows up before I get a chance to post this video, I'll just tack it on to the end. But real quick, let me add up how much this cost. This month, the cost would be $45.98. Next month, when I get all the things I ordered, it will definitely be more than I usually spend, just because I was planning on, sharing some of it with you this month. But hopefully I get, because I ordered a lot of indie makeup on Black Friday, hopefully a bunch of it gets to me in time to do some sort of an indie makeup swatching and haul video. That would be so much fun. I can't wait for it to get to me. Normally, if I told you that my total for the month was only like $45.98, I would be like so proud of myself, but I know I spent way more than that, so I just don't have it here to show you. All right, guys, I will see you next time. I will be back next with my Project Pan update. We're getting close to the end of the year. Good things are happening. I'm so excited about my December content. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate your time and attention and the comments and the likes. I really do appreciate all that. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye.